Hey guys, today I will show you everything you need to know about Grok 3 AI, so let's dive in. So the latest version of Elon Musk's AI chatbot developed by XAI. If you've been wondering how it compares to other AI tools like ChatGPT or if it's even worth trying out, stick around, I've tested it and here's what I found. So Grok 3 is part of the X platform, formerly known as Twitter. It's available to Premium Plus subscribers and is integrated directly into the X app. What makes Grok 3 interesting is that it claims to give you real-time access to information happening on X with a more casual and witty tone, basically an AI with a bit of attitude. When it comes to performance, Grok 3 is fast and responsive. It can handle most of the typical questions you'd ask a chatbot, things like explaining concepts, summarizing tweets, writing short content, and even helping with simple code. The upgrade from Grok 1 and 2 is noticeable. It's sharper, more accurate, and definitely more entertaining. One cool thing is the real-time data access. If there's a trending topic or breaking news, Grok can pull information from X in real time and summarize it for you. It also supports file uploads, lets you enable web search, and gives you the option to switch between Grok 2 and Grok 3 depending on your needs. But it's not perfect. If you're used to using GPT-4 or Claude for in-depth research or professional writing, Grok still falls a bit short in those areas. The tone, while fun, can sometimes come off as too casual or sarcastic for more serious tasks. Also, since it's only available through X Premium Plus, you're paying just to try it out. So, is Grok 3 worth it? Honestly, if you're active on X and already paying for Premium Plus, it's definitely worth checking out. It's fun, it's fast, and it gives a unique twist to the usual chatbot experience. But if you're looking for deep, polished responses or use AI for professional work, you might still want to stick with tools like ChatGPT or Claude for now. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.